Okay, guys, revised drawings. These sidewalls, which are tiled, 28 deep, 28 deep. The base cabinets are 24 deep, so you'll have 4 inches or so, plus or minus a quarter inch, half inch of exposed tile. This upper cabinet where the light is the same depth as the base, and the center sections, the shelf, this floating shelf, is 20 inches deep. So the panel behind the shelves will have a 4-inch void behind it. So the back is white, the sides are white, this is white, that's white, and then everything else will have vertical grain. The grain here is going vertical, the grain on these shelves is horizontal. The wood top, the grain's going to be horizontal, and the doors is horizontal. I'm assuming you want the toe kick flush with the face of the doors. And these will not be adjustable. You'll be able to pull them out, but they're not going to have a bunch of shelf pin holes. So this is our spacing in between them, 15¼ inches. This will open up, but as soon as we put the light on it, it'll still hinge up, but it's just much easier to attach it with doors, and you put the light on it, you're never going to open it, but you are going to be able to swing it open. So that'll work. It's just going to be a little bizarre that you're going to have a light mounted on that door, and it's still going to hinge open, but you're never going to get into it because the bottom of that's 103 inches off the floor. And then the piece of soffit across the top scribed to the ceiling. So this represents 30 inches on, that's the left side, the right side, that guy too is 30 inches. And the front edge of the countertop will be mitered and 1.5 inches thick. The floating shelves are 2 inches thick. We can change them to 1.5 inches to match this, but in that picture these were a little bit thicker, and the countertop looked like it was about 1.5 inches thick. So anyway, let me know what you think of this. Come on, computer. So we need to get some handles picked out. I'll work on a stain sample, and we can go from there. Thanks.